Hello everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about this product called Just for Men. Very famous, everybody knows about it. My wife brought it to me because she doesn't like my gray hairs on my goatee. Now, I like to use medium brown. I feel like it's very natural. But if you think that you feel better with black, then go ahead and use black. There's also light black. All right, just do the testing and see which one is best for you. Now, as you can see, this is not on the instructions. It should be. I don't know why it's not on the instructions. I'm applying a thick layer of Vaseline around the edges, and this is to prevent dye going on my skin and to stay on the hair and the hair only. You do this if you dye your eyebrows, if you dye your hair. You apply a thick layer of Vaseline around your forehead edge, the back of your ear, the back of the neck. But we'll go back to this, all right? So in this case, I'm just doing a goatee, all right? So I'm just applying a nice thick layer of Vaseline, even on the bottom too. I don't want dye to go on the skin on the bottom, all right? Now, make sure you do the 48-hour testing to prevent, to make sure that you are not allergic to these ingredients, to make sure you don't get any irritation or allergy reaction, all right? Do not try this on your eyelashes or eyebrows. You might end up going blind. All right, but if you do, rinse yourself with water right away. And once you're done, you're gonna rinse with shampoo, not a bar soap. Right here, as you can see, I'm doing a equal amount of color and color base. All right, mixing in with the other side of the brush. Okay, and after I do this mixture, I make sure that I brush my goatee after I have a nice thick layer of Vaseline around the edges. Okay, I'm gonna go down and then up against the grain. You want to make sure you get all those gray, all them roots, all right? And try to cover everything you can, okay? Just keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing. You can leave it for 5 minutes, better results, 10 minutes. You make the call. As you can see, I'm keeping my brush right on the edge. I'm trying to stay away from the skin, even though I have Vaseline on my skin to prevent the dye going on my skin, but I'm still trying to stay right on the edge. All right, look at that, right on the edge. There you go. And like I said, I feel comfortable with medium brown. I will try the light black. I do know that dark black looks very fake. So I'm gonna try the light black to see what happens. They also have the dark brown. I feel like this medium brown looks really dark and really natural. But I'll give it a try to the dark brown just for you guys, so you guys can see how it looks like. You will see at the end of the video how this medium brown came out. As you can see, I'm going against the grain, going up, making sure everything is covered. Yep, the whole thing, just go up and down, side to side. Just try to get everything you can, okay? Once you're done, rinse your brush because you want to save it. You can use that brush as many times you can. And there is the result. What do you think? Leave a comment, subscribe, hit that bell button. Let me know what you think. Eli the Barber coming right at ya. Thank you for your support. Subscribe to my channel. Sayonara, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.